Okay, so this will be the third time I'm doing this. First time, stopped recording. Second time, wasn't in focus. Behind me, Sawmill, pretty cool food hall. All right, real quick, before anything, first impression.
It's pretty cool.
They've got food. Welcome to the Sawmill Market. Behind me, on this side, this is the Blue Door Pastry. I just kind of walked in and I met Joe. Joe's a nice guy. No, I can't read that. So right now, Sarah is currently preparing a Rocky Road cookie, which takes approximately 10 minutes to make. So Chandler and I naturally decided that we were gonna wait for that cookie to be finished. So we're waiting. And that's about it. Thanks for joining me. Like, share, subscribe, all right? And then hit the bell too so you know when my next video comes out. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.